On top of all the differences in terms of the insurances that we look at, so say life insurance, critical illness cover, income protection, each of them can be done in a very different way as well. So life insurance, you can have what's known as term assurance versus whole of life insurance. So term assurance means it lasts a certain amount of time. So that can often be maybe for how long your mortgage is due to run for, or until your children reach an age of independence. Whereas whole of life insurance means it'll just keep going and going and going until you do pass away. With critical illness cover, we have a number of different aspects to it as well. So that would be things like, do you have core critical illness cover, or do you have the all singing, all dancing version? And with some of them, you can maybe have children's cover or not. And then there can also then be the all singing, all dancing version cover with children or not. And then with income protection, that is often just a big free for all because there's so many different things we can take into account. So that would be how much money you would receive from the insurance if you're unable to work due to ill health. Very important to know that income protection itself isn't traditionally anything to do with an employment or redundancy cover. But with income protection, it's like, how long do we need to wait for you while you're ill for the policy to kick in? When it does kick in, if you're able to place a successful claim, is that claim going to last for a couple of years, 5 years, or is that going to go all the way to retirement? There are lots and lots of different things. And then there's also the complexity when it comes to the premiums. We can have guaranteed, we can have reviewable, we can have some that'll change each year in terms of our age as well. There's a lot of complexity when it comes to these insurances, and it's certainly not easy to navigate them all. There's lots of information that you can find online. You've got our governing bodies, so that'd be things like people known as the ABI. You have what's known as the British Insurers Brokers Association and the Financial Conduct Authority, and all of them should be able to give you information on there that you would find really useful to make sure that you're understanding what it is that you're looking at.